Alright, this is video 2. As you can see, I've taken down the microwave, and it's actually not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I thought maybe they went through the metal. Their biggest mistake was, as you can see, this microwave's power cord is towards the rear. The one we had before was towards the front. That's why that front hole is there. So instead of taking the time to put it more towards the back, they folded this cord up through here to try and fit this hole, and tried zipping this tight to the cabinet. And what they did was they sucked up the metal. So I don't know if you can kind of see. It's kind of hard to see in the camera, but the metal is bent up right here and right here. And one thing I meant to show on the video prior was just to kind of highlight how big of a hurry they were in. They didn't unwrap the range, which isn't a big deal. I could have got that myself, but it just kind of goes with and highlights what kind of a hurry they were in. And then also, they didn't even take the time to level the range, which I guess you can kind of see here where it kind of meets, and then it drops down in the back here. I suppose I could get something to set on there, but that's not a big deal. But again, they could have just leveled this out, but instead they just shoved it in and took off. But so the microwave, other than all the wood chips down these vents, and then this metal being pulled up, which this is what was humped up. It actually dropped back down when I took it off, but they were trying to suck this cord up in there, and I guess you can kind of see where it was pressed up against the cabinet. So that's why they didn't take the time. And then so it's the first time I'm seeing back here, and we had one prior, so those holes up in there, I'm sure from the prior mount for it, there's the mount that they put up. So I figured I'd go ahead and check it to see if it was level. And they didn't even take the time to level it out. I don't know if you can see there. Probably another reason it looked like it was leaning. So, I mean, it's not a big deal. We can just maybe patch those holes and then just redo it again. Of course, this time I'm just going to install it myself. I don't trust anyone, especially from Home Depot. Well, I ended up canceling my appliances with them because they were all dented, and then we were waiting on these, and then they actually damaged the house and the appliances putting them in. The range and the dishwasher, I think, could be from the manufacturer. That was all wrapped up. You can see stuff still on it. But that's it. So, trying to see if you can see that hump here. That's what happened, is they tried to suck it up. Oh, you can see it there. They tried to bypass or skip making a new hole for that wire, and they tried to suck it up. I guess it's kind of dented down here and sucked up here, and they couldn't quite get it up to the cabinet. But yeah, there was only one hole there. I don't know what they did there, and I don't know why. It looks like they did hit another one over here, so maybe it was close from the old mount. I don't know. But it looks like they gave it several shots on this side, and then this side, I didn't even actually notice there was two holes. You couldn't tell from the top, at least I couldn't. I think they had the nut screwed down on there. But if you have any questions about the video or anything else you want to see, let me know.